Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So this is basically question from GATE 2021 and I am doing this question because one of the student asked this question on our Facebook page. So guys, if you have any problem in any question of metallurgical engineering for GATE metallurgy, you may ask that question on our Facebook page or Instagram page directly. We will try to solve those questions. We will try to give the video solution of those questions. Okay. So guys, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and share this channel with your juniors, seniors and others, those who are preparing for GATE metallurgy. Okay, so we are coming with few more updates. We are coming with few more questions for GATE 2021 for practicing purpose. Okay, so the question is, the vacancy concentration in a crystal doubles upon increasing the temperature from 27 degrees centigrade to 127 degrees centigrade. The enthalpy in kilojoule per mole of vacancy formation is, so they are asking for the enthalpy in kilojoule per mole of vacancy formation. Okay, so first of all, what is the formula for vacancy concentration? So I am writing here concentration of point imperfection. Okay, so concentration of point imperfection formula is, you may write down like that: NV by N, sorry, that is capital N, NV by N is equals to exponential of minus Q by RT. Yes, that is Arrhenius type of equation. Okay, so NV by N is basically the concentration of point imperfection. Means here in this case the point imperfection is vacancy. So we can say that this is the concentration of vacancy. Okay, so that is the our first equation and main equation. Okay, so now we will try to do one by one for both the questions. Okay, both the part. Okay, so the vacancy concentration in crystals doubles upon increasing the temperature from 27 degrees centigrade to 127 degrees centigrade. So they are giving 27, T1 is equals to 27 degrees centigrade. It means that is 300 Kelvin. Okay, and T2 is also given, that is 127 degrees centigrade. It means it is 400 Kelvin. Okay, now they are saying that vacancy concentration in crystals doubles. So you can say that NV by capital N is equals to N. This is, I am supposing, this value is, I am supposing, you can take X value also. So this is our first value. Okay, so NV1 by NV by N, 1 is equals to N. So NV by N for second value, that will be equals to 2N, because they are saying that the concentration in crystals doubles upon increasing the temperature. Okay, so this is the given data for this question, and also they are giving this R value. So R value is also very important, and they are asking for finding the enthalpy in kilojoule per mole. So enthalpy here is Q. Okay, so sometimes you will get delta H also, so you can take it as you want. Okay, so don't get confused, this is the enthalpy, or you may say the activation energy also. Okay, so now we will try to solve this question. So what will be the first equation? First equation will be N is equals to exponential of minus Q by RT1. Okay, so this Q and this R is constant. And what is our second equation? That is 2N is equals to exponential of minus Q by RT2. So after solving this question, we'll get equation 1 by 2 exponential of minus Q1 minus Q by RT1 plus Q by RT2, because we are removing exponential from the numerator and denominator. So that's why we can write like that, and we will take ln of 1 by 2 is equals to minus Q by RT1 plus Q by RT2. So now we will try to solve step by step. Suppose if you are not following the steps, you will surely doing mistake, because you don't have enough time for these type of questions in GATE metallurgy. Okay, so try to follow this step every time whenever this type of question came in exam. Okay, so now shorten this equation also. So ln 1 by 2 is equals to minus Q by R, that is 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay, so this value will become like that, minus 0.69 314, and minus Q, we need to find Q value, and R value is given, that is 8.314. 1 by T1, T1 is given, that is 300 Kelvin, and T2 is also given, that is 400 Kelvin. Okay, so now sort this equation. So 5.76267 is equals to that, this minus will get cancelled here, and q by 8.314.0033 minus 0.0025. Okay, so now I am solving this step here. So now you will get equation like that: 5.7627 is equals to q into 0.00083. Okay, so q value will be equals to 6943004. Okay, so this value is in joule per mole, but in question they are asking in kilojoule per mole. So we will divide this value by 1000. So 6943.01 by 1000, so we will get 6.94 kilojoule per mole. So this is the actual answer for this question. Okay, so in answers, official answer you will get marks up to 7. Okay, so this 6.94 kilojoule per mole is correct answer here. So this is the correct way of doing this question. This whole nv by n is the concentration of point imperfection, or you may say the concentration of vacancy or vacancy formation. Okay, so and this q is enthalpy of vacancy formation. Okay, so we'll try to solve this question every time in exams like that only. Otherwise you are surely going to do the mistakes that is also called silly mistakes. So you may do the silly mistakes in this type of question, that there may be possibilities of doing silly questions, silly mistakes in this type of questions. Okay, so hope you understood this question. Suppose if you have any question for gate related to gate methodology, try send us to on Instagram page or Facebook page. We'll try to solve those questions in our video solutions. Thank you.